For those who are new to the channel, I share videos and tutorials here on YouTube, and you can find free high-resolution photo references on my Patreon site. If you like what I do and you want to support me, you can show your love over at Patreon. Hey everybody, my name is Elise Wong, and today I'm going to share a tiny adventure. I don't even know if you call it an adventure, but yeah, I just decided to vlog the situation, so yes, welcome to that. Morning everybody. So basically I got a new phone and it's a Google Pixel 5a. So very excited. I have been stuck in the house for so long I can't yeah, I had no dining out. It's been more than 6 months, so I'm a little out of my mind here. And yeah, we have to go out and do chores anyway. We need to look at some furniture to get for the new house. So yeah, we just visited two furniture places. Nothing fun, nothing amazing. But yeah, I do warn you guys that I did not vlog as we saw furniture because it would be kind of awkward to just go in furniture hunting and just vlog about the whole situation. So I did take photos to show you guys what we were looking at. The first place that we saw, we were looking at dining tables, and then the second place we were looking at TV consoles. We didn't buy anything, we were just like looking around. And then after that we went to Family Mart and we got some ice cream, and then we just went home. So, you know, nothing great, but it was amazing to just go out. You guys know the feeling. You guys know the feeling. So, tiny vlog today. It's all like in 4.5 minutes. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoy. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Okay, we are going on an adventure to nowhere really. This is Deviantart, and we are going. We're going to do chores actually, not to jalan cari but yeah, you know, adventure. We've been stuck in the house for so long, and Deviantart got me a Google Pixel 5a. I am so excited to just try, and even though we're not doing anything super adventurous and fun, this is our little adventure for today. So yeah, you guys can follow us and see what we're gonna do. Okay, we are kind of in the middle of nowhere. Oh, careful. This place was in the middle of nowhere, but their showroom looks fancy as heck. It was very small though, because they also did like production, so we just saw what they had in stock, and it was really nice. The way the cutleries they displayed too was like super fancy that I just had to take a photo of it. They mostly did marbles, the marble tables. We are done. Now we're going back now. Another furniture store. This place is more of a common furniture area where you can find many furnitures, and depending on the quality and price can be pretty good. They had many selections, but we just go in there, take a few photos that we like, and then we're out.
think you're just limiting the number of words, right?
True. Here to line up as well. Thank you. We are going in Family Mart. Oh my god, it's been so long.
You need the penny for you, right?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Usually it's at the baking section. Should we buy any snacks?
Up to you. Which one do you want?
I don't know.
It's honey lemon mud pudding.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm in your place now, so you choose what you want.
Now we're eating sofuto. Tiramisu flavor. Really good. We are going home. It's a lovely, lovely adventure day today. And we are going back home